Hello everyone. Through this video we are going to start with question number 6 of exercise 6.4 in the chapter of square and square roots. So let's see what the question says. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. So if this is the square, a square has all the sides has equal sides, yes or no? So we also know that formula for finding out area of a square is equal to side square. Means if I consider the side to be x here, this will be x square. Side square equals to area is given here 441 meters square. So here I can write x square is equal to 441 meter square. So while finding out square root of x square, we shall be able to get our answer. So we shall proceed with the solution part next. So coming to the solution part, let the length of side of the square is equal to x meter. Let's remove this one. This figure could be removed. So removing this x meter I got. Given area of the square, equals to 441 meters square. This implies we can write area of square equals to side square 441. So x square is equal to 441. So when I try to find out x, there will be square root of 441. So let us proceed with any method we like. We can proceed by using long division method also, or by prime factorization also. Both are applicable. So let's proceed with, therefore, by division method, what did I get? 441. Let's do pairing. This remains as unpaired. So 2 ja 4 here. On subtraction this will be 0. So only 41 comes down. So I have to make it double. There is only one way out. I have to put here 1 so as to get 41. So on subtraction here it is again 0. Therefore by long division method, x is equal to square root of 441 is equal to, this will be acting as a square root. So answer is 21 meters. So here in this case, length of side of the square equals to 21 meters. So this is the answer for this question. Next, let us come to question number 7. So in question number 7, what is asked? In a right triangle, ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Under this Roman 1, if AB, if AB is equal to 6 cm, then BC is equal to 8 cm, then find AC. Second question under this is what? If AC is equal to 13 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm, then find AB. So let's come to the solution part. Coming to the solution part, in the right triangle ABC, it is already given that angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now let us come to the first question, and along with this we have to draw the figure also, because in such cases figure is a bit important. So let's draw the figure. Suppose this is the right angle triangle. This is A, B, C. Angle B is given to be of measurement 90 degree. Then in the first question, if we observe the first question, AB comes as 6 centimeter. Then BC comes as 8 centimeter. Here it is 8. Let's make it correct. This is 8 centimeter. We are supposed to find out AC. So we already know Pythagoras theorem, Pythagorean triplet and all those things are already known to us. So what is Pythagoras theorem? We already know. We already know that the side that is lying opposite to right angle is this one. The side opposite to the right angle, I mean this side, is the hypotenuse. This is known to be the height, and then this is known to be height or altitude. You can say altitude also or perpendicular also. Then this is known to be the base. So what is Pythagoras theorem? According to Pythagoras theorem, base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. Yes or no? So I shall write here by using first we shall write, given AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm, AC is equal to question mark, by Pythagoras theorem. What did I write? Of course AC is the hypotenuse, so hypotenuse will be written alone in one side, square of it will be written alone in one side. So it will be AB square plus sum of squares of the base and perpendicular will be equal to the hypotenuse square. So here let's put the values. It is 6 square, this is 8 square, and this is AC square. So I get here 36 plus 64 is equal to AC square. So of course this is 100 equals to AC square. So ultimately AC will be equal to square root of 100, and that will come as 10. We all know this, 10. So this is 10 centimeter. Similarly, the other question can also be done. This is Roman 2. Let's draw the figure here. This is A, B and C. So B is 90 degree here. We got AC as 13 centimeter. Then after, what else? BC as 5 cm. We need to find out AB. What is this side? So let's write, given AC is equal to 13 centimeter. Then BC is equal to 5 cm. So AB equals to question mark. By using Pythagoras theorem, what did I write here? Of course, AB square plus BC square means base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square, and here in this case hypotenuse is AC. So after this I shall get in the respective places we have to put the value. So AB square is not yet known to us, BC is 5 square, then AC is 13 square. So what did I get? AB square equals to 169. 13 square means 169 and 5 square means 25. So we can write here AB square is equal to, it will be 144. So let's find out the square root. So AB, let's find out the square root. We all know that the square root of 144 is 12. AB is equal to square root of this. So AB is equal to 12 cm. So this is the answer. Next, coming to question number 8. So question 8, what is said here? A gardener has 1,000 plants. A gardener has 1,000 plants. He wants to plant days in such a way that the number of rows and number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants, he needs more for this. So here in this case we have the solution part. Total number of plants that he has 1,000 plants. So in this case specifically what is given? Number of rows is equal to number of columns. Here number of rows is equal to number of columns. By division method, of course we have to find out square root. Division method, let's find out the square root. 0 0, let's do pairing. 3 3 ja 9 here, so 1 0 0, let's make it double 9. Of course I have to put here 1. So 91, the remainder will come as 9. By this method, what we get, 31 square is of course less than 1000. Yes or no? So the next square number means it actually lies in between 31 square and 32 square. Therefore, number of plans to be added with 1000 to get 32 square will be equal to 32 square minus 1000. So let's check what is the value for 32 square. 32 into 32, we shall get just 4, 6, then sorry, this is 6, this is 9, so 4024. So this is 1024 minus 1000. So the remaining number of plants is equal to 24. Therefore, means actually in other words, 1000 plus 24, that is equal to 1024, which is a square number. In this case, number of rows will be equal to number of columns. So required number of plants, required number of more plants is equal to 24, and this is the answer. Question number 9 can also be solved in this way with the help of these solve sums. Thank you.